Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 45 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight is part 3 of our fall series. We're going to take you on a little trip to New Orleans tonight, and we're going to do a little bit of a unique twist on a New Orleans classic. We're doing the Toasted Almond Sazerac. Let's talk about the ingredients that we will be using this evening. Instead of your traditional rye whiskey, we will be using an American Single Malt Whiskey. I selected the Yellowstone because it has these great barley flavors. It also is toasty, nutty, and it's going to complement what we're doing with this Sazerac very well. A Sazerac also requires something that's going to sweeten it. We will be using the Demerara Syrup because the brown sugar will bring notes of real dark sweetness and molasses. We will also need 2 bitters. Traditionally, the Peychaud bitter is the one used with a Sazerac, and we will absolutely be using that. It brings in these lovely spices and, of course, the star anise flavors. That is signature of your Sazerac. But as the name implies, we will also be using the Toasted Almond Bitters. It's going to give us this toasted nuttiness that will complement the American Single Malt and also give us those roasty flavors of fall. Now, the other essential piece of a Sazerac is absinthe. We will be doing a light absinthe rinse of our glass, and I will walk you through that step as well. Let's start making this right now. The beauty of it is we will make it right in our mixing glass tonight, and we will start with a full 2-ounce pour of our Yellowstone American Single Malt. I think you're really going to enjoy using the single malt instead of using a rye whiskey. It's just going to change it up a little bit. For our Demerara syrup, we only need 1/4 ounce, but it's going to bring so many lovely notes. There we go. And for the Peychaud bitters, these are so important. 2 dashes of the Peychaud, they do carry quite well. And for our Toasted Almond Bitters, we will go with 3 full dashes to really bring that toasted note as well as the nuttiness forward. Now we're going to give it a light stir. That allows the Demerara syrup and the bitters to incorporate quite well. And we will now add our ice. The ice will let us chill and dilute at this point. We will stir 20 to 30 seconds. While we let that chill just another moment, we're going to do the really important part. It's almost a ritual of making the Sazerac, and that is what's called our absinthe rinse. We only need a small amount of the absinthe so we can roll and rinse our glass in the absinthe. So I would just pour a little bit in here. This is the fun part as we roll it and get that absinthe throughout the glass, so that it really gathers those aromas, and it will leave a little residual absinthe in the glass so we can have those lovely flavors as well. And then I am going to save it, so I'm going to pour it into another glass for later. Waste not, want not. Now we will strain this into our absinthe rinsed glass. Another quick stir. That's beautiful, just right. Now, the lemon peel is really important. So we will take a nice piece of lemon peel right off of this fresh lemon. We're going to express those oils over the top of the drink, and that's going to give these aromas and a little bit of that lemon in there. And then I also like to just rub that lemon around the edge. That way, as you're tasting it, you're getting some of those lemon flavors forward. It really helps to brighten it just a bit. Let's taste this. I love the aromas. That's going to get you going right away. Cheers. Wow. The complexity here is so fantastic. I love a Sazerac. It's got that extra pizzazz to a drink. Reminds me of being in New Orleans. There's something about this American single malt in here that has just taken the Sazerac to a whole new level. The single malt is providing a little bit softer of a base than the rye does because it doesn't have those spicy notes. And it's allowing that toasted almond flavor to come forward and really interplay well with the Peychaun bitters. It is just fantastic. This Toasted Almond Sazerac is a must try for sure. Please join me next week for part 4 of our fall series and our Thanksgiving finale. We're going to put a harvest-inspired savory twist on an old-fashioned by using mole and Aztec chocolate bitters to create the Mole Harvest cocktail. For tonight, as always, I ask you to please drink responsibly, to enjoy this amazing Thirsty Thursday, and to please give the Toasted Almond Sazerac a try. Cheers.